Hey, all you balding Asian males between the ages of 5 and 25, and welcome to another episode of Bad Unboxing. Today, I have a monitor we're gonna unbox right here. It's got IPS. It's 23 inches. On this side of the packaging, we have, oh crap, there's my address. Can't DDoS me now, Keemstar. Over here there's a 3-year warranty. I hope it covers liquid damage. Now to the unboxing. It's actually a very fragile monitor and I don't know why I've stuck a knife in something I could have easily broken. Manisha. Get a bit of the documentation. Asus VIP member. I don't know if you can see that. This is the stand. I'll just put that here. And the monitor itself.
Oh, hell yeah.
You guys ready for a review? Just put it on the stand. That didn't work. Didn't. Hey! That's pretty good! A power cable, a power brick, EU power cable, EVI ports, which is fucking retarded. You got an audio cable as well. Quick start guard. What am I, fucking gay? Fucking manual. I'll play you guys some of my favorite animes so you know what how the panel's like. And that's gonna be about it for today on Bad Unboxing. It's a good monitor, 1080p resolution, IPS display, really makes the colors pop. You got 2 speakers here that I'll test later. This design on the edges of the monitor. Looking pretty good.